Hello everyone. For today's do-it-yourself project, you'll need two bicycle tube valves. Unscrew the cap and use it to remove the valve core. You won't need the valve core for this do-it-yourself project. Take the rubber out of the cap and then drill a 1 mm hole in it. And do the same steps with the second fitting. Next, you'll need a piece of Textolite in which you need to drill 3 holes. First, I drill with a thin drill bit and then I enlarge the holes to 6 mm. This is how it should turn out. You will also need a copper wire with a cross section of at least 10 square millimeters for the project. There should be a copper terminal at the end of the wire into which a fitting is inserted and then it is screwed onto the Textolite. Now you need to take a piece of copper tube and flatten it so that you get a plate. Next, you need to drill 2 holes in this plate. And now we insert the fitting into this plate and also screw it to the Textolite. Well, the homemade project is finished. To make it work, you'll need a torch from a welding semi-automatic machine. Remove the tip from the torch and unscrew the nozzle. Put the tip back on and insert the plastic spacer. Now take our homemade device and attach it to the torch using a 6 mm bolt. That's it, the homemade device is fully assembled. For it to work, you need special staples that can be made from wire, and they are also available for sale. Insert the staple into the cups and set the welding machine to the minimum current. Connect the ground to the end of the wire. Now when you press the button on the torch, the staple will start to heat up. Well, now watch how to use this homemade tool. Take any broken plastic part and use this homemade device to repair it. When you press the button, the staple heats up and then is embedded into the plastic. Wait for the plastic to cool down, then remove the torch. Adjust any plastic drips with a regular soldering iron and cut off the ends of the staple. How did you understand this? I showed you how to make a plastic welding gun. Such guns are used by people who work with plastic welding, for example, those who repair car bumpers. These guns are available for sale and, as I said, they are bought by those who work with plastic repair. If you don't work with plastic welding professionally, but sometimes you need to fix something, I think this device will come in handy for you. But of course, for it you need to have a welding machine or some kind of powerful transformer. You can buy staples, they're inexpensive, or you can simply make them out of wire. For making them yourself, it's better to use copper or stainless steel wire. To prevent rust from forming inside the soldered area, after finishing the repair, clean the soldered spot with sandpaper. And of course, those who repair bumpers also apply putty. Who like this do-it-yourself project? Like this video, write comments, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching, goodbye.